Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to my channel? It helps other people know when I'm posting videos. Well, yesterday when I was shopping at Walmart with my wife, I found these things called egg rings. I don't know if you've ever heard of them before. And supposedly you get a nice round egg just like you would at McDonald's or some of those places. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take both of these out, remove them from the package and rinse them off a little bit. We're going to get out my electric grill, and we're going to make 2 eggs with the using those. And then I'm going to make 1 egg without those, and we'll see which one makes better, or see if it makes any difference, or see if it was a waste of money. But I've never really used these before, and I'm just curious how to, whether or not it's going to be something I can invest into more. I only paid $5.97 for these, but yeah, so they're not that bad. And they're silicone, so they flex. They handle flexes. So I'm going to take those off. I'm going to get the grill going. I'm going to crack 3 eggs, and I'll do 1 egg separately in each bowl and just kind of like slowly put it on top of the grill, and I'll probably have a few sausages with it. This morning we got some appointments going on today, and I'll be busy all day today, in and out of the house with appointments. And just keep me in your prayers. And but without further ado, let's go right into the video, and we'll come back and talk about it and have a meal together. This will be a breakfast for this morning. Most of you know I'm doing carnivore for the month, and I only had 1 small cheat this past week so far, and we're switching over from keto, but we are doing keto meals in between here and there, and that's the way I'm going to approach it. It's going to be a slowly transitioning over to carnivore, and anyways, without further ado, let's just go right into the video. And from this point on, you're just going to have music because they got a lot of apartment noise. And hope you enjoy your day. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have a great day, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, eggs are done. Now, can you tell which ones were made with my silicone egg holders? Well, if you guessed these 2, you were right. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Well, we are back in the back room. So we made 3 eggs. We did 1 the regular way on the grill, and then 2 using the these things over here. These are egg holders. Got at Walmart's for $6 for 2 of them, and they're silicone, and they got this easy so you can lift the handle right up. So what I did was I took the pancake grill out and I heated it up to 350, got it warmed up, and then I put some a little bit of cooking oil spray on it, and then I cracked 1 egg on each one of those silicone mats, and then I did 1 silicone holders, I should say, and then one egg the regular way, and I wanted to see, and some egg on the one of the holders started to come oozing out, but it still came out fine. The hardest part I had was when I was going to flip the egg, so I got to have some sausages. So I got to have some sausages with my my egg, and we're going to crack a couple open to see what the difference is. Now, if you look over here, okay, and that's the one the regular way. That's the other one. That's the first one I did. That looked good. So this is one of our meals for today, a carnivore meal. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I would say definitely be using that. So what I'm going to do next time we go down to Walmart is I'll actually buy a couple more. They come in a package of 2, so if I want to make 4 eggs, I'll be able to make 4 perfectly good round eggs like that. And it's very easy to clean up. I just wiped it down with a damn paper towel. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Enjoy your day, guys.